Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends, we are going to upload guys Oppo phone guys phone touch sound guys. How can we on and use? Friends, you want to on guys your phone touch sound settings. So how to on and how to use. Today friends, I will show you. I will tell you guys. So guys, you will have to on guys your phone setting guys. So guys, we will on guys our phone setting. After on phone setting guys, we will click on guys phone sound and vibration setting. Then guys click on phone system sound, and once you can see the touch sound guys, we will on from right side. After on guys, you can see when you will click on any phone icon, and when you will on any setting, and when you will click on guys your phone button, this touch sound setting guys, you can use it. So guys, we call it guys phone touch sound. So guys, you want to on and guys you want to use, so guys you can use it. And once you don't want to use guys, you want to off, so guys again click on the phone system sound, and guys we will off from here. Then guys you can use your phone without any touch sound setting. So like that guys, we can on and off guys Samsung phone phone touch sound. So bye guys.